Hi, my name is Adam and this is YouTube channel Fuse Service, HVAC, Electrical and Plumbing. Your go-to electrical crew here in the Bay Area. For more than 8 years, we are wired everything from ground up custom homes and high-rise condos. So if you're building new, we are ready on one day, one blueprints on hand, to rough, to the trim out, to a clean, cut perfect system. Already own a house? Our licensed electricians handle full remodels without a mess or mystery. Panel upgrades, smart home circuits, EV chargers, done right, on schedule and fully inspected. Thinking smaller? We are power accessory dwelling units too. Whatever it is, backyard, studio or in-law suite, we design energy efficient layouts that keep your permits smooth and your tenants happy. From lighting design and load calculation to final walkthroughs, we coordinate with your general contractors, city inspectors and PG&E, so you never lose a day to the red tape. So if you need electrical work for new construction, remodeling or ADUs in the Bay Area, call Fuse Service or book online today and let's light up your next project.